Folks, we enlisted in the Army to help do our part for the war effort. Right, men?
That's
yeah,
right.
we did.
That's right. Everybody wants to do their part. In fact, my girl back home, she even went and got a job.
Let me guess, working in an ammunitions plant?
Well, yeah, how'd you know?
Hey, my girl did the same thing.
This next tune is for all the girls who've gone to work to help out with the war effort.
While other girls attend the favorite cocktail bar, she'll sip and dry martinis, lunching caviar. There's a girl who's really putting them to shame. Rosie is her name. All the day long, whether rain or shine, she's a part of the assembly line. She's making history, working for victory. Rosie, the Riveter, keeps a sharp look at the sabotage, sitting out there on the fuselage. That little girl can do more than the milk can do. Rosie, the Riveter. Rosie got a boyfriend, Charlie. Charlie, he's a Marine. Rosie is protecting Charlie, working overtime on the riveting machine. When they gave her a production lead, she was as proud as a girl could be. There's something true about red, white, and blue about Rosie. Oh, Rosie the Riveter. Everyone stops to admire the scene. Rosie at work on the P-19. She's got the Riveter.